guys, my name is Justin.
My name is Shay. Thanks for watching.
Okay, I gotta wake up.
And my voice too.
Hey guys, my name is Justin.
My name is Shay. Thanks for watching.
Today we're gonna be making homemade crystals.
Crystals! Crystals!
Crystals!
I love making homemade crystals. They're so fun, they're colorful, and they're really cool.
And they're easy to make. Let's get started. In order to do this project, you have to have borax,
Jars,
food color,
pipe cleaners or pom-poms.
shish kebabs,
Why did you say
And now-
shish kebab?
a pan,
And pins.
and that's it.
And water.
Oh,
Water.
and water.
Yes, water.
This is a fun activity to do during
Doo-doo.
quarantine.
Doo-doo!
So you should try it. If not, you're a loser. I'm just kidding.
First thing you want to do is fill up your pan from earlier with as much water as it's going to take to fill these jars.
So after you fill up the jars, you'll put them in the pan. Can I put it on high?
Yeah.
Alright, it's getting hot.
So we're waiting for it to boil. So while we wait for the water to boil, we're gonna form our crystals and then we'll get everything else ready that we need to get ready. Okay, we're about to form our crystals with the pipe cleaner. I don't know what to do. Should I do it with the heart? No.
Oh, you make it whatever you want?
Yeah.
Oh, so
yeah.
you can,
like,
Just
roll it in a
form.
ball.
Yeah.
You and Shay do that once?
Yes.
Yeah. You have to make your pipe cleaners a little small so when the crystal forms, you can get it out of the jar and it won't be a jar with crystal in it.
Ooh, I can make a cross.
There, that looks fine.
Yeah. See, like that. That'll be fine.
It's not anything beautiful. It's just like rolled up, twisted together.
Having trouble?
So I'll just put this, roll it up right here. Okay, roll it up at the end.
Mustache?
Come on, big
Good.
scary monster eyes. Wait, if I did do that, would it make like a
Look at our
mustache?
water.
Okay, I got it.
This is. What is that?
Eyes.
This is monster eyes.
I just kind of twist them together so it actually fit. And when it grows, I can get it back out.
We're ready to pour the borax. You want to pour a lot.
Like a lot.
What in the world?
Oh, it smells like eggs. I don't like that smell. This is a huge whisk.
Okay.
Honestly, look at this. And look how messy
Yeah,
it is.
let's see.
What are you doing?
Yeah,
Getting it off of there.
Oh.
This is fun.
Most people probably don't have as much borax as
Okay, that's enough.
I'm gonna have my own restaurant when I get older, man.
You can also use salt or sugar.
Oh, for that instead of the borax?
Borax.
Can I just pour that? And more. Man, this is harder than rocks. That actually hurts. beating the borax because they don't want to come out. See?
Okay. Okay, that's probably enough.
Whew. Now I got some cleaning to do.
You want the borax to be totally dissolved in your water.
Biscuit.
What are you doing?
Sweeping the floor. Don't drop it! Shake! Go. Now that it's dissolved, you want to hurry up and put it in the cup because
In badly.
you don't want it to what is it called? Die. You don't want the crystals to start forming inside the bucket. I feel like a cafeteria lady. No offense to any cafeteria lady.
Wait, no. No, you need mashed potatoes.
Does it need to be even more fuller? Okay, we gotta hurry before these crystals. Oh, I better not get burned.
Forming on our counter. We're gonna have a crystal counter.
Whoa!
I just did that while ago. I was like, ow!
So now it's time to put the food dye inside of our crystal jars, whatever. I chose red for this. Ooh, it's bloody red. I love that.
I chose blue for this jar.
You want to put a lot,
Can
so.
I like something to stir it with?
Wait, guys, look at that. Look how pretty that. Ooh, that looks really pretty.
And look. Here's a crystal. I got blue for the purple and pink for the pink. And look, it's already forming the crystal on our counter. Okay, now that we got our colors in, I'm gonna tell you what color goes with what pipe cleaner. So purple goes to blue. My pink goes to my pink.
Okay, so my green will go inside of red, and my orange will go inside of green. It's not gonna look that great, but who cares? Okay, now let's stick them in. Drop it like it's hot.
And now
And I rise up, rise from the dead, I rise up.
why is it floating?
Yeah. Those are floating, aren't they?
We don't know what the pom-pom's gonna do because it keeps floating in the water. Let's just see how it turns out and then we'll tell you guys.
We're going to wait about 2 days to see what our crystal, to see if they form.
So in 2 days, we will have our quarantine crystals.
Okay, we'll see you then. Bye.
Go to the future us.
Huh? Hey guys, we're back. It's your girl Eliza. Hey guys, we're back. Good to see y'all.
It's 2 days later since we did our crystals and let's look at them. This one kind of broke off to the glass. The crystal formed to the side, so when we pulled it up, it broke off. And this one is pink and beautiful.
Alright, this one is red and it looks like a turtle. Don't ask why. Because that looks like the head, the body, the shell, the arms. That's what it looks like. And then this is my green one. It looks really
It
weird.
looks like a pumpkin. Okay guys, so we got 3 of the crystals out. The blue one got stuck to the side and it would not come out. So I don't have a blue one. But that's okay. I mean, I still have one. Okay, so we're gonna paint them now, which this is gonna be fun.
It's not gonna look great, but look the great. Look the best.
Looks
but-
great.
Oh,
It's dripping on me.
Yes, that looks great.
It's dripping. Now that my hands are pink,
I'm gonna wash this up. Is that okay? Alright, so I stuck it in hot water
why?
because I was trying to get the color off because of the back.
Well, that makes it like
And it made it
deformed.
break out. So it looks like yellow mustard or something. But that's okay.
Isn't all mustard yellow? I mean, just saying.
Look at that. Not that good. Look, Shay. It doesn't look that bad. I think it looks lovely. Okay, guys. I got my 2 done. They're looking hot. No, I'm just kidding. They're looking great.
Okay, I've got my 1 crystal done. I did pink, blue, and gold, kind of all together. Okay, so we got done painting our crystals.
This is really fun to do when you're quarantined.
You should try it. It's super fun.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, now it's time for the shout out. So drum roll.
Say it.
Drum roll. Shay.
Trinity Roy 07. Congratulations, Trinity.
I was laughing because you said congratulations, Trinity. Thanks, Trinity, for joining the JS Squad.
If you want to be the next shout out winner, all you have to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and comment down below done on our latest post on Instagram.
Please subscribe to join it. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, so now we're ready to put these toilet cleaners in the thing. Toilet cleaners. Hands come in handy, people.
Hands come in handy. Hands come in hand. Peace.